Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the Dolby Atmos on the Redmi Note 14. So I am using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply on the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So tap on Settings, either on the home screen or the app drawer, and then scroll down and select Sound and Vibration. Now within the sound settings, scroll down and select Sound Effects. And then you should see the option Sound Effects. Tap on it, and then you should see two options. There's the Dolby Atmos and the Xiaomi Sound. So to enable Dolby Atmos, all you have to do is simply tap on that option, and that will enable Dolby Atmos on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.